How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. So if you're not being able to receive the WhatsApp verification code, then the first thing you need to check is if you have turned on the notifications on WhatsApp. So simply open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications and go for see all apps and search for WhatsApp. And after opening your WhatsApp, you can simply go for notifications, which is on the first option. And here you have to turn on your notifications. So if you have turned off your notifications, then you won't receive that codes and all that. So make sure to turn that on. And after that, you have to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might be facing an issue. And even after that, if your issue still doesn't fix, then you can open up your Play Store and then you can go for WhatsApp. And if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your WhatsApp application. And after updating, your issue might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.